Hi everyone, Adam McIntosh here from the RAND Group to give you an overview of our Maintenance Document Manager application for Business Central. The application itself simplifies your internal maintenance processing by providing a lightweight alternative to the service module. So the application itself allows users to enter and track internal work orders against fixed assets, record any consumption, and then post all the activity directly to the general ledger. Now, this ends up with some really clear benefits. Number one, it's a simplified process for tracking all your internal maintenance. Number two, it gives you that really clear and accurate visibility. Number three, it keeps those financials super clean. And by posting directly with the GL, it keeps everything auditable as well. So a really lightweight, simple, efficient way of tracking your maintenance against those fixed assets. Now let's log in and look at a demo of the application. Here I am in Business Central, and let me first start by showing the maintenance setup. So in the maintenance setup, we have just a simple number series, default codes that we can use. So we can specify different codes, and those link the offsetting entries to different GL accounts. There's a markup percentage, and that helps calculate the cost of the item that's used in the entry for maintenance. And then we have our depreciation book for our fixed assets. So if I go and create a maintenance entry, and let me quickly pull one up because I believe I've got one already created here. Yeah, here's one that's already created. So I'm just making that entry. It's numbered against a fixed asset. I've got a description, we've got a posting date, we've got our dimensions, and we've got our depreciation book here. And then on the lines, we're literally just selecting an item or a resource and then posting that with some cost. And you can see the standard cost, that's $100. And then it gets marked up to 110, which gets then applied against that fixed asset. So from here, I can post and print. I can also print out reports that show the maintenance is being completed. So let me quickly post that one. I want to pull up some of the reports here. It's a very basic report that just shows some of the header information as well as the item that's being used. Okay. And now if I pull up, now that's been posted, I should pull up the maintenance ledger entries. Perfect. So here you can see that entry that's been posted in the maintenance ledger. So you have auditability of the entire entry. From there, I can show it in the GL as well. And here's the associated journal entry for that maintenance document. Thank you for your time today. If you have any questions about the application, please feel free to reach out to us via info@randgroup.com, and we'd be happy to help. Thanks again.